Hey everyone, here's a quick dinner for the weekday that I like to have: sautéed spinach, rice and beans, and Gardein chicken tenders. This is a vegan brand. It's plant-based. It has quinoa, oats, and millet, as well as 7 grams of protein, and it's really good. It's meatless, and they look like chicken. So if you're looking for something that helps you transition and you want to have a meatless Monday or whatever day you choose, just try these out. They're really good. They're sold at Target. I'm not sure where other supermarkets they might have, but that's where I normally get mine from, or BJ's if you lived in an area where they have a BJ's. Just add some olive oil in the pan and let that fry up and flip on both sides. Meanwhile, I'm just going to use this rice and beans mix. It's the Goya brand. It's very convenient. You just boil your water, follow the instructions on the packet, let the water absorb and simmer out, and the rice will be nice and seasoned because it comes with some seasoning of its own. Added some basil, like some dry basil seasoning, and a little bit of like garlic because I love garlic, and I just added that in and stirred everything up. Now when the rice is almost done, this is when I do my spinach because the spinach is really quick. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, minced garlic. I love fresh minced garlic. Some cracked salt or some black pepper to taste if you like, but I usually omit on the salt sometimes. And then there you have it. It's a quick and easy dinner, very tasty and filling, and it will get you through a couple days if you kind of meal prep. And I hope you try it. Subscribe for more videos in the future and leave a comment if you will try. Talk to you soon. Bye.